Hello guys, Jayanam here with a brand new feature for Blender 2.83, face sets for sculpting. Face sets are like adding multiple different masks to your sculptings, and then you can do many interesting things with it. I will show you some of these in this video. We have a new sculpting brush here called Draw Face Sets. But in order to see the face sets, you have to first open the overlays, and then there's a new face sets option, and to make it fully visible you drag the slider to the right. Okay, here it is, one face set for this object by default that has a random color. And when I go ahead now and draw onto this mesh with the Draw Face Sets brush selected, you can see that a new face set is added. When you hold the Ctrl key pressed, you can extend your face sets. When you start drawing, hover with the brush over the one that you want to extend. Play around with this, it's very easy and flexible. Okay, now let me show you how to sculpt just onto a particular face set. I select this brush, the clay strips, and each brush has an option now for face set auto masking. So I start sculpting onto the yellow face set, and then the auto mask is applied for the surrounding areas. When you hover over a face set and press the H key, the other face sets are hidden. You can see this here for both face sets. And when you press the W key, a pie menu with 4 options for face sets appears. One is for inverting the visibility, or you can create face sets from masks that you added, and this one turns all the visible face sets into one face set. Okay, now let me draw another one to this side of the skull. And then I enable the Mesh Filter brush, and this has an option as well to use face sets. I will show this now for the filter type Inflate. I start by inflating from this face set and drag to the right or to the left to extrude from this face set or to kind of carve into the mesh. Okay, now I draw another face set onto the skull, like so. Select the Mesh Filter brush again, and this time I use Random as filter type, and then I drag again starting from the face set, and a random noise is added to this part only. So you can see a lot of great possibilities here. By the way, there is a new option in the remesher, in the voxel remesher, to preserve the face sets that you added. I check this here and then I remesh. And as you can see, the face sets are still there, they're reprojected. Another feature is to expand a face set over a mesh. You press Shift and W and then you hover over the mesh and move the brush to expand the face set. And now let's use, for example, the Draw Sharp brush, enable auto masking for face sets, and then for instance draw along the edge of the face set like that. If you don't like the coloring, you can randomize this. You find this here in the menu. And the last thing that I want to show you is how to turn a mask into a face set. Press the M key to enable the mask brush, then draw a mask onto the mesh. And then I press W and select face set from mask. The mask is still active. If you want to get rid of it, press Alt and M. When you draw with the Draw Face Sets brush, a new face set is drawn over the existing ones. And the very last feature that I want to show you is how to hide a specific face set. You just hover over it with the brush and press Shift and H. Okay guys, this is a feature of the latest Blender 2.83 build of the master branch. I saw in the Git commits that some bugs are already fixed, but are still in review state. If you liked the video guys, then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. If you'd like to support me, then be my patron. This would really help a lot. Thanks for watching guys, and I see you in the next one.